Okay, this is for Kachan B. Kachan, it's Homeland Energy. So the domain you can see is homelandenergytx.com. So this site was not built by my team. It was built by an individual in Canada. The client is here in the United States with us. The nephew of this client is actually a large PPC client for us. So we were happy to bring it over. So we have it on our local host, and we just have a couple of issues like this. So we're going to be running PPC ads for leads to this site. So we want them to get here. We click here, and it's anchored to there. So there's the form capture. I'm happy with that, but we will run other ads for the residential or commercial. So when I go to another page, it's supposed to be anchored to the home page. And you see how it does this? So when we go to the home page and I hit click here, it anchors directly there. The other pages, it seems like these pages here, the anchor doesn't work exactly the same, and I don't know what it is. It's a Divi builder, and I don't know Divi that well. See how it does that? And then, of course, we want to make sure that it's mobile optimized. What is that? That's iPhone 6, 7, 8. That works. So, if we click there, yeah, it works perfect. That's the home page. Let's go to a different page. Let's see here. Get a free quote. Oop. Yeah, that looked like it worked. I just need to make sure that that's working correct. I'm not real sure why it's not working correct. Because we're going to run a pretty decent budget on PPC leads. So this would be the job. I just want to make sure to get the free quote goes where it's supposed to. Looks like it's working on mobile. I just need these pages tested. So depending on what page I go to, if I hit free quote, it looks like the mobile is working fine. Just for some reason on desktop, it's a little weird there. And we want it to be consistent because we don't want non-conversion because it feels like the website's not working right. See that? It feels like it's not working right. Something's wrong there. I wanted to do, looks like mostly on desktop. You might check tablet. I wanted to do this right there, regardless of what page I come from. So that way we can capture that information. Okay. Other than that, the site's fine for what it is. The guy that built it did a decent job. We're just trying to optimize the conversion ability of it with leads coming here. Okay. That's what we're after. And then the only other thing is when we fill out this form here, it does go to the Microsoft Office 365, shows up as mail at the domain name, but this is actually set up as info at the domain name with GoDaddy, so we're not sure why it's coming in that way. We do have a ticket open with Flywheel Hosting because it does start at their server level, and not sure why it's transmitting as mail instead of info at. All right, so really it's more about the top of hero, click here connection and the anchor that it's going to on the other pages. Home is fine, and it mostly looks like desktop because it looks like mobile was working. That's really all I'm after. If you can do that without any crazy coding, it should just be a setting with Divi. That's why I was looking for someone that knows the Divi builder. If it's something that you're going to go and do CSS or HTML or PHP work on, I would rather know that first before you do it. Okay, thanks.